Hi, and welcome to another tutorial session with Chieftal. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to add priority in Trello. Adding priority in Trello helps you better organize and manage your tasks, allowing you to focus on what's more important and of utmost priority. So the first step is to head over to our Trello application. Would assume you've already signed up before now, so you just simply need to log in. All right, so this is my Trello workspace. So we'll just simply go to our board. All right, so for the purpose of this video, I'll be working with this board. So we'll head over to the three dotted lines at the top right corner over here. We'll click on that. All right, and it will give us a variety of options. To work with this, we would head over to power up. That is what we'll be working with. Navigate there and click on this, and it will take us to this point. All right, you can see that we have a category of functionalities that we can explore on Trello to enhance the usage of the Trello application. For the purpose of this video, to show you how to add priority in Trello, we would have to select and search for card priority here over here in the search bar. So you simply click or type card priority, and it would pop up. As you can see, we have several options for card priority. So to add priority to a specific card, we'll just click on this first option here, and as you can see, there is the add button over here. Click on add. All right, head over down here and click on add, and you can see on your screen you've successfully added priority to this particular card on Trello. So this is how you're able, or this is how you can prioritize a particular card on Trello, making it easy to allocate and better manage your tasks. So thank you very much for watching this video today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, do well to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until the next video, bye.